Solve the following equation using the quadratic formula. Separate multiple solutions with a comma. If there are no real solutions, enter none. So quadratic formula. So step 1, identify A, B, C. So if I'm starting with standard form, A is the number next to x squared. When there's nothing there, it's 1. So A is 1. B is the number next to x, positive 4. And C is the constant by itself, negative 32. And it is important that it equals 0. It does on this. It's not going to on all of it. But make sure it equals 0. Okay, step 2 is we're going to substitute all those values into the quadratic formula. So x equals negative b. B is 4. Plus or minus square root b squared. 4 squared minus 4 times A is 1, times C is negative 32. Big fraction, all of that divided by 2 times A is 1. Okay, step 3 is simplify. And I always start with the square root. So we're going to put this in the calculator. So what's under the square root? And I still have the last one. You can just keep that open and edit it as you want. A, C, and we got 144. So I have x equals negative 4 plus or minus square root of 144 over 2. It's 2 times 1. And did you see it? 144, square root of 144 is 12. So x equals negative 4 plus or minus 12 over 2. Now we're going to split the plus or minus and find the values. Okay, so split. I have a plus and a minus. Negative 4 plus 12 over 2. Negative 4 minus 12 over 2. And I'm going to use my calculator. So negative 4 plus 12. See how I put that in parentheses? It's to keep it on the numerator. So that's 4. And then I change to a minus, and it's negative 8. So x equals 4 and negative 8. And when you type those in, you use a comma.